Now that the second season of Counting On is officially over, Daphne Oz is all set to sit down with the reality stars for TLC's after-show special, and there's plenty to discuss. In the most recent episodes, fans watched Jessa and Ben Seewald welcome their second son, Henry Wilberforce, while Jill and Derick Dillhard managed a pregnancy and returned to Central America. Their second son, Samuel Scott, was born July 8. After Joanna's nearly 3-month engagement to fiancé Austin Foresith, the pair married on May 26. Leading up, it was so surreal, until I was walking down the aisle, and then I was like, oh my goodness, it's actually here, a teary-eyed Joanna said at the time. Cameras also followed newlyweds Ginger and Jeremy Vuolo at their new home in Laredo, Texas. In addition to updates from all the Duggars, especially the ladies, the after-show will also feature a couple's showdown and surprise guests. The 2-part after-show airs July 17 and July 24 at 9 p.m. on TLC.